New to CapCut? I'm not a pro, but I'm always learning, and I'm here to learn with you. Today, I'll learn the basics of video editing in CapCut that you'll need in order to get started for your first edit. Alright, let's go to CapCut. Make sure it opens up to the edit part, since this is where you'll want to create your new project in video. And as you can see, this is new video. You click that. Once you click that, you select the footage that you want to put in your timeline. So I have 4 clips, I already know what I want. So I'm going to click this top right portion of each clip. I have my 4 clips selected, going to add them to my timeline. This is the UI and layout of CapCut. As you can see, right here in the center is the play button. When you click that, it'll play your video. This white line in the middle is your playhead. This determines where your video will start playing when you click play on the video. And to move that around, you just want to drag on your timeline left or right. So dragging right goes to the left, dragging right goes to the right, and that moves the playhead. To zoom into your timeline, you just want to pinch in, and as you can see, the timeline's getting smaller. Do that here. And to zoom out, just pinch out. And now the timeline's getting bigger. I'm actually going to make this timeline smaller again, as I'm going to rearrange some clips next. To rearrange the clips and move them around the timeline, you just want to tap on your clip and hold it, and it will make it smaller in that view, and you can just drag it anywhere in your timeline. So drag that first clip, moving all the way to the right. Gonna drag that clip again, tap and hold it, drag it to the middle there, do it again. Now it's all the way in the front again. Gonna extend the timeline a little bit now and zoom it out. To shorten your clips, you just want to drag the sides. So gonna drag the sides here and pushing it inward, and it gets smaller. Pulling it outward, it's gonna get bigger. Try it on this guy too. I'll do it from the left side. So getting smaller, getting bigger. To split a clip, which is basically like the blade tool in your normal professional editing software, you just want to put your playhead wherever you want the split to happen, and just click split down here. And boom, it's split. We'll do it again on this next clip. Putting the playhead wherever on our clip we want it to, and then boom, split. To delete any clip, or let's say a section of the splitted clips that we don't want, just highlight the clip and tap on it and click delete down here. Do it again for this one. Tap whichever clip, delete. Now we're going to add some text. To add text, center your playhead to where exactly you want your text to appear. So we'll just put it right here and click add text at the bottom left. There you'll find a list of templates. I'm just going to choose default. And also to note, anything with the diamond, that's for the paid version of CapCut. So anything that doesn't have the diamond, those are the free ones you could use. I'll click default now. We'll bring the text box. And if your keypad on your phone isn't open, just click your text box and then just type your text. We'll just call this CapCut practice. Now that this is set, we could just click anywhere outside of the keypad to close the keypad. And boom, there is our text. And to move it around, just tap down and hold on to it and just drag it anywhere you want on your screen. In addition, to make it bigger, just grab the edges of the corners and hold down and boom, big, small. As you can see, where our playhead was when you click added text, that's where the text has been added. To add music, we're going to tap audio down here right next to edit. So tap audio, and you see extract. Extract is if you have any sound or music that's in the media of your phone internally that you could import, which I don't have, so I'm going to use sounds. Here you can find any type of music you want, but it will only be copyright music, so you won't find any music from your favorite artist. It'll recommend you some music, but you could also search what type of music you want. So let's say Drake. I'll put Drake. And as you can tell, it's not putting the artist Drake, but it's doing anything called Drake. So we'll just add this first one here, and let's tap that. And boom, we just added music to our timeline. It was added is at the start of our playhead. Now that we have our music, clips, and our title, I'm going to clean this up a little bit so it looks better. Alright, clean up your video. Now it's done. And now we're ready to export. So you want to click export at the top right here. And you can tell Capcut's exporting it right now, and boom, it's exported. So from here, you could add it to your Instagram, your stories, WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever. I'm gonna do other, just because I'm just gonna save it onto my camera roll. And now, let's play our video from our camera roll. Well, that was the basics of CapCut. If you found this helpful, if there was something I could have done better, let me know in the comments. What else can I learn?